Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Inspiration tab. So here it is. The results I have at first are related to my AI settings. If I want to adjust this, I just have to head out there and change my settings. Now, let's assume I'm going to search for a topic that is quite different from the ones I'm used to talk about. So I'm going to search for marketing, for example. And in seconds, I'm going to get the best posts related to marketing with a lot of engagement, a lot of comments and stuff. What I can do is adapt the minimum of likes I want for my posts. I want, let's say, more recent posts, more comments, and maybe less followers. And applying the changes, I'm going to get different results. Now, let's say that this one, I like it. It's pretty cool from Yana. So what I can do is save it to my collections. I had a collection called marketing that I created before, so I'm going to add it there. And I can also use this post, clicking on edit and post, to put the content in the composer here and start from there and maybe change the content or make it shorter or add emojis or whatever, change the content of the post, but keep it as an inspiration for my next post. I can also do other things like translating it, like generating a variation or just copy the content. Now, I can also do that from LinkedIn using the Taplio extension. So if you go on LinkedIn, make sure that you have the Taplio extension installed. It should appear on the right here. I can add any post into my collections from the feed. So let's assume this one is interesting. It's also about marketing. It's in French, but it's also about marketing. So I'm going to save it to my collection, clicking on the three dots, find my marketing collection, and it's going to be added to my collection. Now, if I go back on Taplio on my saved post tab here, I will find the two posts I've just added to my collections. So they appear in all my saved posts, but I can also narrow the results down, clicking on marketing here, and I'm going to get these two posts that I've added to the list. And that's how you use the Inspiration tab and leverage on the content of powerful creators.